So before I go to take bath, I usually comb my hair with any kind of brush so that it could detangle my hair before I go to. After washing of my hair, it could easily looks like it could look shiny as well as and it looks amazing after wash. So before wash, I always detangle my hair with the help of any kind of brush. Always detangle your hair with the starting of the top, not from the roots, because it always helpful if we start from the ends. And now I'm using this part. This is the middle part of my hair. First I used this part, now I'm using this part. So it is useful, it's very useful. Our hair will not break from the roots as well as from between the length. And don't go harsh with your hairs, because our hairs are our life. And if you are facing any kind of problems in your life, don't go harsh with your hair. And if you are going harsh with your hair, please don't forget to oil them with any kind of oil you are using from your childhood till now, because oil helps our hair to grow as well as to keep our mind refreshing in our life. It keeps refresh our mind as well. Now I am done with the middle part. And from scalp it's very hard, because it's not going easily. So we have to stop here and we have to keep away the comb from our hair. Now we have to start from middle and middle and middle and middle again. And now we have to start from end and again and middle, and from roots again and middle, roots and middle, roots, not from this part, from this part. So it's very easy to comb our hair and look. Again, you can feel your hair. You can feel your hair, yes, you can feel your hair. You can feel your pain. And if you are feeling any kind of pain, don't go harsh. Just because I'm shooting this video, that's why I cannot explain properly, but you can imagine. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Use any kind of base. I'm using my chest as a base. Use any kind of base. Now stop here and then remove. Stop here, remove. Why I'm stopping? Because my hair is not gonna let comb slightly go down. So we have to stop here. Now stop and again start from the root. Again start from the ends, middle, and yes, it's done. Again my hair is stopping here. So end, middle, and middle. I'm not going from here. Just stop. You can see roughly 2 or 2 to 10 hair are left on my comb. So it's very easy if you are not facing any kind of problem in your life. And if you are facing, then keep watching my videos. I'm not saying my hairs are so good like others female have, but in any kind of life, if you are struggling with any kind of depression or stress, then go with this procedure. This is a good procedure. Now I'll take look. You can hardly see 4 to 5 hair strings left on my hand as well as on this comb. If you can see, these are old hair, but it's okay, I can add on it. Now I'm gonna take a shower and meet you after some time. So after my bath, after my shower, I'm gonna put this on. This is my sister's gift for me. I'm excited how it looks on me. I'm gonna show you after some time. So here I took this shower, and after shower I'm feeling very refreshing. I changed my dress. This is, I already told you, this is my sister's gift.